How to fix Roblox error code 600. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is head over to App Store. Once you're in here, in the search bar, you need to search for Roblox. Head over to this app. Right here instead of open, if you see the option of update, then it might be one of the reasons that you're having this issue. If that's the case, tap on update and update your app. Once you've got the updated version, the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of a device. Move into general and then head over to iPhone storage. In here, search for the application Roblox and then move into it. Now, click on offload app. Once again, click on offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing on Roblox, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.